Hi, I'm Karen Christians. I'm a jewelry maker, I'm a writer, and I'm also a tool designer. And I absolutely love making jewelry tools. There's something great about being able to hold a really gorgeous tool in your hand to help you be able to make. I've been kind of frustrated over the years on certain solder picks because they were difficult to pick up from the table. They would get bent under heat. In school we had to use a piece of coat hanger, and that was miserable because all the solder would just glom onto it. So I really wanted to find something that I could work on that would be a really, really easy way to solder and make it a tool that would really last a long time. So I came up with this idea of the Ergo Last Soldering Pick. It is a unique, slender design which allows me to hold the pick similar to a pencil. I can drop any solder balls directly to their destination on the nonstick titanium. This is a 16 gauge aerospace titanium, which means it really has very little heat transfer except at the very tips. One of the features of this pick is it has a little end twist, and that twist allows me to fetch it off a flat surface really quickly when I really need to go through and make a really good solder operation. If you have that pesky bezel or a little pesky wire that has come up, the pick is so wide and nice at the end that allows me to just go through and push down the little pesky area with complete ease, and my hand being completely safe from any kind of heat. It's fabricated from 16 gauge aerospace grade titanium. There is no heat transfer from pick to hand. Solder does not transfer onto titanium. Rather, it floats in a little pool of flux of where you heat the piece, you dunk it into flux. You do this about 3 times, and then a lovely little river of flux gloms onto the end of the pick, and then the solder just rolls completely onto it. Cleanup is super easy with these picks. Because it's titanium, it's inert in pickle, sodium bisulfate. So just need a quick dunk into the pickle, wait maybe about 25-30 seconds, pull it back out, rinse, and then just lightly abrade over with some Scotch-Brite, and you are ready to solder again. It is my distinct pleasure that this tool will be sold through Pepetools Inc. I'm so happy that Pepetools has such a distinctive and wonderful product line, of which I use many Pepetools in my studio. So I'm extremely happy to be part of the Pepetool family, and we look forward to creating more tools that are both easy to use in your hand and easy to use in manufacturing your jewelry dreams.